Hello friends, today we are building a Honda Odyssey. I have a 1980 Polaris 340 TXL engine on here. A little better angle here. And right now I am making my own brackets. You can see right here I am starting to drill the holes for the motor mount. So, yes, this is the snowmobile it came off of. I ran this snowmobile probably 3 times, and it was a good runner, so we decided to just build a go-kart instead. This is what it looks like right now. As you can see, we've got a few, minor problems with it. Gotta get the suspension hooked back up. Gotta redo the steering. And then the engine. So, hopefully I'll get this built and make another video for you guys, and we'll see how it runs. Thank you.